Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Mitra, where we learn English the natural way. I'm AJ.
And I'm Maya. If you want to speak English more confidently, you're in the right place.
In today's episode, we're talking about three small words that confuse almost everyone: be, been, and being.
Don't worry, we're not going to give you grammar stress. Just simple explanations and real-life examples.
But before we explain anything, let me ask you something. Which sentence sounds correct? I am been tired. Or, I have been tired.
I think many learners hesitate right there. It sounds similar, but one of them is clearly wrong.
Yes, one of them is wrong. The correct sentence is, I have been tired, not I am been tired. And if you've ever said the wrong one, don't worry. This confusion is very common.
So what's really happening here? Why does been need have, but be doesn't?
To understand that, we need to break these words down one by one. Let's start with the simplest one, be. Let's start with the simplest word, be. It may look basic, but it carries a powerful idea.
When we use be, we're often talking about identity or intention, not the past, not something happening right now.
For example, I want to be confident. I want to be fluent. I want to be better at English. These are goals.
Notice something important. You're not describing your current state. You're describing who you want to become. That's the role of be.
We also hear be in advice. Be patient. Be careful. Be honest. These are instructions about behavior.
So if you remember one simple idea about be, think dreams. Advice, future mindset.
Now let's move to the second word, been. This one sounds small, but it changes everything.
Been is the past participle of be. But don't worry about that term. What really matters is this. Been almost always works with have or has.
That's why we say, I have been tired. She has been busy. They have been waiting. Notice the pattern? Have plus been.
When we use have been, we're connecting the past to the present. It started before, and it still matters now.
So when someone says, I have been tired, it means the tiredness began earlier and continues until now.
That's why I am been tired sounds wrong, because being needs help. It needs have.
Now let's look at the third word, being. This one feels more active, more alive.
Being is often used when something is happening right now or continuously. It shows action in progress.
For example, he is being rude. She is being helpful. They are being noisy. Notice something? Is or are plus being.
When we say he is being rude, we don't mean he is always rude. We mean, at this moment, his behavior is rude.
So now you can see the difference. Be, dreams, or advice. Been, past connected to now. Being, action happening now. Three small words, three different jobs.
So next time you hear be, been, or being, pause for a second. Ask yourself, what is the sentence talking about? A dream, the past, or something happening right now?
And if this lesson helped you understand it clearly, that means you're already improving. One small step at a time. That's how real English confidence is built.
This is English Mitra, where we learn English the natural way. See you in the next episode.